Hey guys, Ross Ramsey here, RP Elite Motors and Marine. Today we're going to do a walkthrough of a incoming boat that we got pictures done today on. It is a 2007 Donzi 35ZR. Let's walk around the boat and I'll tell you about it, and we'll also go the inside. Like I said, it is a 2007 model Donzi 35ZR. It is a twin step hull, as you can see right here. The boat is sitting on a aluminum trailer. Tires are in great condition, 16-inch wheels. Trailer's in great shape. This boat was towed to us from San Antonio area. It is a majority freshwater boat. It does have twin 496's under the engine hatch. If you come to the transom right here, these are Bravo 1X drives. It does have the large Mercury trim tabs, stainless exhaust. You can see right here it does have power rams for power steering. Just an all-around very clean boat. It does have the swim ladder option to get in and out of the boat, which makes that a lot easier. And we'll keep walking this way. Beautiful paint, just a basic, real pretty white that kind of goes into a gray that looks great. Very easy to keep clean. Just an all-around good package, good boat. Then you can look right here on the front keel of the boat. You know, right here coming on and off of a trailer is where you'll see a lot of damage. This boat is, like I said, extremely well kept. You know, not loaded very fast, very hard. It's hauled the right way, and she shows very well. So now I'll take you to the inside of the boat and let's walk in, and I'll show you the engines and interior. All right, guys, now we're on the interior of the boat. We're in the cockpit. We'll do a walkthrough of this. As you can see, beautiful white and gray vinyl interior. It does have a nice sun pad on top of the hatch. Beautiful stainless fittings to give off a, obviously that's where the engines breathe, but it does give a cosmetic look and looks great. I'll bring you to the helm of this boat. Livorsi throttles, Livorsi gauges. It does have a Garmin GPS sitting right there in the center. 3 nice style Livorsis up top. RPM on your left, RPM on your right, your mile an hour right there in the middle. Right here is your head unit controls. This does have a wet sound system in it, and if you pan to your left, you can see your speaker right there, and they do have lights on your speakers that light up blue at night. We'll go right here. This is more room for storage. This shuts, obviously. There's your SmartCraft system for your Mercuries, and I'll lift your engine hatch right now, and we'll show you the engine bay. This engine hatch does open and shut nice and smooth. It doesn't fit funny like a lot of hatches do. Nice setup. All right. Like I said, Mercruiser twin 496 boat, roughly 355 hours. Very well taken care of. You can pan around, see everything is very clean. No grease, no oils, no coolant, anything like that. No leaks whatsoever. Very clean. These 496s do have a strainer set up, and they're right here on both sides. As you know, strainers are good to keep clogs out of your water system. They can all get strained right there. Battery here on my left, battery on the right. This boat was just freshly serviced, and as you can tell, it's been treated very, very nice, and the owner stays on top of the maintenance, and it shows. So let's now take it to the cabin. I do want to show you this. You can see I'm pushing this cabin door with one finger, so it is not a pull and have to give it a whole lot of effort. You can see it's beautiful Donzi up in the middle, beautiful stainless fittings around, gives off a great look. So let's go look at our cabin. I'll hop in here first. You do have a grab handle going in, so if the boat is moving, you're not just going to bust your rear. So now that we're in the interior of the boat, you do have, let me open this. You do have storage here, okay? You have, you lift this up and you pull down. Icebox right here. White vinyl, sink. Your breaker panel is right here, and it's a little dark in here, so I apologize. This does have a fusion head unit right in here, so you can run your sound system from the cabin. This is a beautiful dark gray overlay that gives off a great look with the stainless sink. You'll come right here. Like I said, it's a little dark. There is your bathroom with another sink. V-berth up front that will sleep two comfortably. And we do have two vents right here. If you wanted to get some natural airflow through here. White vinyl seats. You got Sony speakers in the cabin. And below me and Kinsey, where we're sitting right now, you do have full length of storage to put any buoys, any ropes, and you can see they're all right here. But these are storage on both sides. So, the white vinyl up here on the top deck, it is not droopy. No water has been in there or nothing like that on both sides. Like I said, an all-around very clean boat. This will be a great lake boat. Very well kept. So. All right, guys, so that's going to conclude our walkthrough of this 2007 35ZR Donzi. We just got pictures and videos of it today, so be looking for it on our website. They will be coming up, I would think, in the next 48 hours. This shouldn't last. This is a highly desirable boat, extremely well maintained, majority freshwater boat, and you can't go wrong with twin Mercruiser 496s. So be on the lookout for it. Please give us a like and follow, comment below. We will get back to you, and we appreciate you watching. All right, see ya.